Hey guys, it's Sky Corner and we're about to start a show up now. In today's video, I'll be singing House Tour by Sabrina Carpenter. So let's do it. Woo! And guys, this is from her album Man's Best Friend. If you guys have seen that album, put the girl emoji down below. If you guys like Sabrina Carpenter, put the drink emoji down below because her song is Espresso, by the way. Anyways, let's get singing House Tour. Shoes off. You guys like the song House Tour? Put the house emoji down below. If you guys like this song better. Thank you for dinner, baby. Yeah. Had a really great time. I really love the conversation that you are so dry. The pineapple air freshener is my favorite kind. Well, this is me, but if you have time, do you want the house tour? I could take you to the first, second, third floor, and I promise none of this is on the floor. I just want you to come inside, baby. What's mine is now yours. The couch is really comfy, got some chips. Oh, if you're hungry, you don't need to love me. I'm just so proud of my designs. Dim light, do you want the house tour? I could take you to the first, second, third floor, and I promise none of this is a middle floor. I just want you to come inside, but never enter through the back door. House tour. Yeah, I spent a little fortune on the wax floors. We can be a little reckless cause it's insured. I'm pleasure to be your hot tour guide. Baby, what's mine is now yours. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, babe. Come inside and I let you up. My house is on Pretty Girl Avenue. My house was especially built for you. Some say it's a place where your dreams come true. My house could be your house too. Oh, so are you coming in or what? Well, that was a ball, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. So big thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and guys comment down below what's your favorite part of this video. Bye, peace, love you guys. Yahoo!